The profound concept that size is no measure of splendor is perfectly embodied by a genuinely exceptional compact marvel and artifact whose diminutive stature fundamentally disguises an astonishing degree of intricate detail and sublime manufacturing prowess. Far from being simply a reduced-scale commodity, this is a scrupulously crafted miniature, exhibiting a level of artistic genius and technical exactitude that frequently surpasses its significantly larger brethren. Such a creation boldly refutes the long-held belief that sheer physical scale equals magnificence, establishing instead that the authentic yardstick for value resides in the faultless execution of even the most insignificant characteristics. For sophisticated aficionados and discerning collectors, encountering a piece of this caliber represents an instant and profoundly gratifying discovery, immediately compelling the observer to appreciate the concentrated brilliance and advanced technical ingenuity that informed every stage of its conception and assembly. A thorough examination of the exquisite nuances present in this small-scale work quickly affirms its standing as a victory of immaculate precision. Each subtle contour, connection, surface treatment, and inscribed mark has been handled with meticulous, almost obsessive attention, signifying the unyielding dedication of a master artisan to achieving utter perfection. Regardless of whether one is observing a highly reduced mechanical mechanism, an elaborately engraved decorative motif, or a form that boasts perfectly balanced human-centered design, the rigorous focus on microscopic specifics guarantees that not a single element has been neglected or overlooked. This exceptional standard of commitment transcends mere practicality or decorative value. The object transforms into a rich sensory experience, a perfectly formed miniature universe of quality. The raw materials used are consistently of the highest available standard, deliberately chosen not just for their inherent resilience but also for their capacity to beautifully receive and reflect the exquisite finishing work, significantly contributing to the artifact's pervasive feeling of opulence and refined taste. Furthermore, the fundamental requirements of a masterpiece in miniature inherently demand groundbreaking engineering and the deployment of clever, inventive solutions to conquer spatial restrictions. This compels an elegant fusion of purpose and design, where each single millimeter is critically important and purposefully utilized. Such an obligatory constraint is not, paradoxically, a shortcoming. Rather, it acts as a powerful creative stimulant for truly brilliant invention, compelling the originator to encapsulate complex operational features or rich aesthetic depth within an unprecedentedly compressed volume. The culminating result is an article that is simultaneously deeply utilitarian and easily transportable, yet which effortlessly possesses an unexpected richness in character and profound complexity. It stands as an undeniable declaration that genuine craft is not measured by the capability to create something immense, but by the extent of quality, elaborate detailing, and function that can be expertly condensed into something small. It is, without any reservation, a singular example of miniaturized brilliance. The timeless maxim, "Great things come in small packages," finds its ultimate, tangible validation in what can only be described as a masterpiece of concentrated design. This remarkable object possesses a physically modest footprint that utterly belies the extraordinary depth of sophisticated engineering and dazzling micro-level execution contained within. It stands miles apart from any mass-produced, downsized item. Instead, it is a product of intentional, high-fidelity reduction, demonstrating a level of artistic genius and technical fidelity that frequently overshadows artifacts several times its volume.